What's happening? My name's Vince. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. I just started school for the first time in over 10 years for video editing, and we're doing Premiere Pro CC, Creative Cloud. It's week 2, and we're just doing our first edits. It is download a few clips and make some cuts and do a screenshot and show your video. Okay, so our assignment was to download 4 clips, royalty-free videos, and then use the source monitor. I never use the source monitor to edit. I usually just drag all my clips into bins and then take them all into the timeline in order and watch through them and start cutting in and out points in the timeline and deleting stuff. And in the timeline, I start to shove clips up and down according to maybe best on top, or maybe if we're doing multiple things like geocaching, camping, hiking, have them all like separated, not with colors, but on different layers. Everyone edits differently. So that's why I'm going to school, learning different techniques, trying them all out. So I did my steps of how I work, and I started with just the video shots, which is my first screenshot and my first video. And then I added sound effects. And then I added transitions to the sound and the video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. It's only week 2. Peace. Alright, so a little more on editing class and school. I finally got Premiere Pro Creative Cloud, which is amazing because I was editing on Premiere Elements 2019, and Creative Cloud updates all the time, and hopefully I don't have to keep paying for it if I stay in school. And yeah, so that's awesome. I'm very excited about having all of the Creative Cloud. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more stuff to come.